Good afternoon, folks. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is the Clay way. So this is my 2006 Land Rover LR3 all-wheel drive, and it is really a very breathtaking vehicle. I absolutely love driving it. To be honest with you, I wish I could afford to keep it. It's one of my favorite projects that I've done in a while. We rebuilt the motor in this, went to Kansas City and purchased another engine, put it all back together. Obviously we have video of that up here on the vlog, but they've all got to go, and this one can't be any exception, no matter what my wife says. Everything in it works as it should, and you really don't need anything. I've found out that if you don't run premium fuel in these, it'll turn the check engine light on. But it's a Land Rover. As you're gonna see, detailing is not my thing, but I think you'll agree with me that this thing was very, very well taken care of. Non-smoker. It's just awesome. I mean, I get a little bit lost for words when I got something that I like, you know. Sometimes I have to put together like Dodge Durangos, and they're not my thing. That's with the back seats folded down. I'll show you what it looks like from the back. Do is open that, push this button right here, and that folds down. It's got a massive cargo space. It's really pretty big. Pretty well thought out vehicle. All aluminum body, so there's no rust. There's all sorts of compartments and stuff to put stuff. There's even a electric ice cooler in the front. It's crazy. But you could stick a couple cans in there, pop cans. We don't promote drinking and driving at all, ever. That's no joke, because I know it sounded a little bit like I was. Okay, now we want to fold the seats up. Just take this tab right here, get my fingers in there, pull it up, locks into place. Do the same on the other side. Front seats back down, snap back in place. And then we got all this other leg room back here. Spacious front cabin area. Really, really, really comfortable seats. I mean, that's what you would expect from a $100,000 SUV when it was new. Go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Under the bonnet, we've got a very powerful 4.4 V8. In the front, we have high intensity HID headlights. They all work, and it is nice driving this at night. When we open the doors, and obviously during the day we can't see it, but there's projectors on both of the bottom of the doors that project. Land Rover, really large. I'll probably insert a picture of that on my Craigslist ad. Then inside here we have navigation, height controls, CD changer, manual stick operated shift if you want to go that direction, or it's automatic, you just put it in gear and go. We have our steering wheel accoutrements, very common stuff. Very, very nice laid out instrument cluster that's pretty descriptive and tells you what's going on with the vehicle. Is our ice box. It's kind of tricky neat. Excellent sounding radio, just seriously what you would expect. Now this screen is our representation of our level. If we look right here with our bars straight across, that means our suspension is at normal riding height. This screen also tells us the position of the vehicle, if it is raised or lowered, and what our controls are set to for the type of terrain that we're going over. It's really a functional screen, and then this screen also includes the navigation screen as well, which we'll show you a little bit later. If we hold our switch backwards like that, it tells us right there on the top of the screen that we're lowering the vehicle. Take special note of where the green bar moves to while we lower the vehicle. It shows us that the vehicle is being lowered. With all the doors shut, we can see now that our bar on the bottom of here is lower, and we can lower the vehicle until it shuts all the way, until it lowers down all the way. Then we'll take a look at what that looks like. So this is what the vehicle looks like when it's at lowered height. When we put the vehicle into hill descent mode, we can see that it goes back to standard level. With the off-road height position selected, this is what the vehicle looks like when it's in off-road mode. So it also has all matching Bridgestone tires on it, dual power heated leather seats, front and rear. The rear seats are not power, keyless entry, obviously. All the things you would expect. I mean, 3 moonroofs, leather seats, blah, 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 blah. We could go on all day long about all the stuff this thing has. This is one of them things that you have to come over and drive it, and you'll certainly enjoy it. Regular navigation, nothing too spectacular there. Be honest with you, driving it's like driving nothing else. I mean, it rides really, really, really good. You can't say that about most domestic SUVs. They don't ride like this thing rides. There's really nothing like it. Now, I'm not saying that to try to sell it. It really is truly different to drive it. It also has 2 sets of keys, all of its owner manuals. One of the keys has not been programmed to it, nor cut. Just got that to have an extra one. Hopefully you guys will come out and check it out. This makes it a lot simpler and easier to come out and look at something when you already have a good idea of what you're coming to look at. If you got any questions, just send them to me. God bless. Have a great day.